Sidney Transmissions and Autocare. In Sydney, you have plenty of auto and transmission repair options, but few can measure up to the high standards and impeccable quality of Sidney Transmission and Autocare. Hiring only the best mechanics in town, we've assembled an impressive team for all of our services: transmission and clutch repair, inspections, maintenance, oil changes, tires and wheels, engine repairs, electrical systems, and general auto repair. For more information, please visit our website, www.sidtrans.com. Or contact us through phone 250-655-3707. You can visit our office, 2051 Malaview Avenue West No. 3, Sydney, British Columbia V8L5x6. Sidney Transmissions and Autocare.